In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the actuator spring on your Black & Decker CST 1200 string trimmer. I'll start by removing one side of the housing handle. It's secured with a series of screws. With the screws removed, now I'll split open the two sides of the housing. With the housing removed, you want to be careful. Because this is a battery-operated unit, all of the wiring is still live at this point. So what I want to do is remove the connection at the top of the battery and wrap some electrical tape around it to isolate it from the rest of the wiring. That way you can't accidentally turn on the trimmer while you're working on it. Now I'll remove the lock button and the lock button spring. Now I'll remove the actuator and the actuator spring. Now I can install the actuator compression spring onto the end of the actuator and reinstall the actuator and spring into the handle assembly. Now reinstall the lock button spring and the lock button. Now I can reinstall the opposite half of the handle housing. But before I do that, I want to take a minute and tuck away all of the wires so none of them get pinched when we put the two halves of the housing together. Also, I'll need to reconnect the positive side of the wiring harness to the battery. And I'll secure the housing with the screws.